CareCella Hydra Soothing Mask Pack. Hydra Soothing Mask Pack provides intense hydration to the skin, relieves dryness, soothes irritations. Main ingredients of the Hydra Soothing Mask Pack. Place the mask onto the face. Make sure that the mask is well adhered to the skin. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes and remove. Gently pat the remaining gel into the skin. We recommend using this product when skin feels dry or tight, or when skin is irritated due to sun exposure. Store in a cool, dry place or refrigerate. Use immediately after opening and do not reuse. 100% Cupro fabric.